Hi, Bambi. Evil bunny. Batteries and voltage sources are not ideal. They have an internal resistance, and sometimes we need to take it into consideration when we have a very intricate system. The same is true for inductors. But there's two things we need to take into consideration. Because an inductor is basically a wire that is wrapped around, it is very, very, very long, and therefore there is inherent resistance associated with the wire. So sometimes we put it in series with an inductor, and we refer to it as the winding resistance. Another thing is true is that there's something called a winding capacitance. We put the capacitance in parallel with the inductor. When you look closely to a wire wrapped around this pen, there is a capacitance associated with each coil beside themselves. That is why it is set up in parallel. Most of the time, especially the way I teach things, I usually don't need to take it into consideration. But sometimes it is important to take winding resistance and winding capacitance into consideration in your system. Again, especially if you're doing very, very careful measurements